everybody. If you're new here, I'm Cooley. You asked for it, so I'm bringing it. I hope you guys are liking the update we just did. A lot of big changes within the app. Not like crazy changes, but some changes. So I'm going to teach you. First question. It's annoying, and somebody taught me this. How to delete images from a prompt session. All right? I'll say it auditory, verbally, and then I'll show you in the app. So once you're in the prompt session and you know how you want to animate an image, you swipe up and it says animate, upscale. At the very bottom, there's a delete button. You just push delete and it's going to delete that single image. Let me show you. All right, go into your prompt session. You're going to go in individual prompt session, right? You're going to go in and then click on an image. So I'm scrolling up, scroll up. We'll get there. All right, then pick the image that you want to delete. I'm going to pick it, and then it comes up the quick prompt right there at the top, prompt actions. Push it, and at the very bottom it says delete. Delete it, and you'll delete that individual image. That's all there is to it, and you can delete it, the image you want, and then you can also delete a whole session.